Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the could not load high resolution image issues on Messenger. Whether you're using an Android or an iPhone, if you're facing this problem while opening images on Messenger, I've got you covered. Let's get started without wasting any time. First things first, open your settings. Next, check your internet connection. If you're not connected to Wi-Fi, make sure you're connected to a stable one. If you don't have Wi-Fi, can turn your mobile data. Once your connection is set, scroll down and click on App Management. Then select App List. Now search for Messenger and open it. Tap on Storage and Cache and then click Clear Cache. This will clear any temporary data that might be causing the issue. Next, open your Play Store and search for Messenger. If there is an update available, make sure to update your app. Once updated, go back to check your problem if this is fixed. If the issue still persists, let's move to the next step. Go back to the settings, scroll down and tap on System. Here select Reset Phone and then click on Reset Wi-Fi Settings. If you're using mobile data, reset those settings too. Enter your passcode to confirm. Once your network settings are reset, go back to date and time in settings and make sure the automatic date and time option is enabled. And that's it. After making these changes, your Messenger should now load high resolution images without any issue. Hope this video helped. If you found it useful, make sure to hit subscribe button for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching.